Tell you sweeties, I'm going to be showing you all my pictures I made and I put them on my fridge. So, okay, let's begin the video. So first I made this one that has Applejack. Yeah, and then there's this one. That's one of the best ones I made. This one. And as you can see, I made them all together. And then I have this one with all 3 different pinkie pies. The regular pinkie pie. I don't remember that one's name. The white one's name. And then there's Pinkamena. I made this one for my dad for Father's Day. Then there's a Fluttershy picture. And another one that I just drew. Now we are... Oh, and also I made these little things, these magnets. Okay. Now, moving on to this one. I drew from a coloring book. And another one. Oh, this one's kind of sad because I made a picture of... I really don't want to talk about it, so let's just move on. And then we have this one I also made for my dad. It wasn't for Father's Day. Then I made this another one for my dad. It's Spike. Okay. That was all. So, I'll see you sweeties next time. Bye.